Have you ever wondered which countries rule the world economically? We're talking trillions of dollars here, the kind of money that shapes the entire planet. Some countries are already economic titans, while others are quickly catching up. We're about to dive into the top 10 largest economies in the world, projected for 2025. This isn't just about numbers on a screen, guys. This is about understanding the forces that shape our world. So buckle up because we're about to break it all down. Let's go! Coming in at number 10, we have our friends up north, Canada. Known for its stunning natural beauty, Canada is also an economic powerhouse. They've got a booming tech industry with cities like Toronto and Vancouver becoming major tech hubs. But here's the question. Can Canada keep pace with the rising global competition, or will they need to diversify their economy to stay ahead? At number 9, we've got a country with a whole lot of saber, Brazil. This Latin American giant is back in the top 10, and for good reason. Brazil is an agricultural powerhouse, feeding the world with its massive exports of soybeans, coffee, and sugar. The question is, can Brazil implement the reforms needed to unleash its full economic might? The world is watching. Coming in at number 8 is a country known for its beauty, its culture, and its food, Italy. While the world may crave Italian leather goods and delicious pasta, Italy's economy is about much more than luxury brands and culinary delights. Italy has a strong manufacturing base, producing everything from cars to machinery to pharmaceuticals. But can Italy overcome challenges like bureaucracy and a sluggish economy to reclaim its former glory as a global economic superpower? Bonjour and welcome to number 7, where we find France, a country synonymous with romance, luxury, and of course the Eiffel Tower. It's home to a robust economy with global reach, driven by industries like aerospace, tourism, and fashion. But can France maintain its economic edge in the face of rising global competition? And can it address its notoriously high cost of living? At number 6, we have the United Kingdom, a country with a rich history and a global presence. Despite the challenges of Brexit, the UK remains a major player on the world stage. London, its capital, is a global financial hub, rivaling even New York City in its influence. Can the UK maintain its position as a global financial leader? Or will it need to find new ways to compete in a rapidly changing world? Hold on tight because at number 5, we have India, a country that's absolutely on fire. With one of the fastest growing economies on the planet, India is a force to be reckoned with. India is quickly becoming a tech superpower, with companies like Infosys and Tata Consultancy Services competing on a global scale. Get ready to see India rise even higher in the rankings in the coming years. Coming in at number 4 is Germany, a country known for its precision engineering, its high-quality products, and its strong work ethic. From world-renowned car manufacturers like Volkswagen, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz, to industrial giants like Siemens and Bosch, German products are synonymous with quality and reliability. But Germany is facing some challenges. Can Germany adapt to the changing global landscape? Or will it need to find new ways to maintain its economic dominance? At number 3, we have Japan, a country that's been a technological leader for decades. From consumer electronics giants like Sony, Panasonic, and Nintendo to automotive powerhouses like Toyota, Honda, and Nissan, Japan has a knack for innovation. This is a country with a long history of resilience and adaptation, and they're constantly pushing the boundaries in fields like robotics and artificial intelligence. Coming in at a very close second is China, a country that has undergone an economic transformation unlike anything the world has ever seen. China is the world's factory, producing a staggering amount of goods, from clothing to electronics to toys. With a massive population and a government that's committed to economic growth, China is well positioned to become the world's largest economy in the not-so-distant future. And at number 1, we have the reigning champion, the United States of America. With the largest consumer market in the world, a powerful military, and a long history of innovation, the U.S. remains the world's economic superpower. From Wall Street, the heart of global finance, to Silicon Valley, the birthplace of countless tech giants, to Hollywood, the entertainment capital of the world, the U.S. has a dominant position in many key industries. Can the U.S. maintain its economic dominance in the face of these challenges? The competition is heating up. So there you have it, folks, the top 10 largest economies in the world, projected for 2025. It's a dynamic list with countries constantly vying for a better position. Who do you think will rise the fastest in the next decade? Let me know your predictions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.